bird dog wide pull. So you set up in your regular bird dog, ba-da-ba-da-ba, big reach, hips are square, but instead of going straight to center, you're gonna open up and drive knee to rib cage and elbow to rib cage. Recenter, toes face the floor, turn out at the hips, turn out at the elbow, big pull. Bada bang, if you look at it this way, hello, wide pull. Always making sure that that chin is down to the nice length in your spine, really noticing if you start to kick at all in one direction, you'll switch sides, or maybe it's alternating, read the instructions. But again, opening at the hip, staying super stable through the body, nice tight core, big smile.